Hey everybody, this is Mr. Lidkey. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to demonstrate how the acid-base buffer lab procedure was done. And what we're doing here is we're going to test solution X. So pretty much what we have in the beaker right there, that is 20 milliliters of solution X. And what we're going to do is we're going to add drops of pH 1 hydrochloric acid to solution X, and we're going to see how does the pH change. And then eventually you'll compare that to the pH changes of other solutions that you'll be given the data for. Okay, so pretty much procedure is I'm going to take a drop of solution X here and I'm going to transfer it to the pH paper before I add any acid to the solution. So there's my pH. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 drop of the hydrochloric acid into solution X. I'm going to give it a little stir and then I'm going to transfer it over here. Then I'm going to do another drop, 1 drop at a time. So keep adding drops, 1 drop at a time of acid, and we're going to see how does the pH change of solution X as we add acid to it. And we should notice that we can see that it's becoming less green and more yellow in color, indicating that our pH is changing. All right, so there's a total of 10 drops. So now what we're going to do is, now we're going to just do drops of 5 at a time. So notice that the pH paper is becoming more orangey in color. I think that was 5. I hope it was 5. All right. Then what you're going to do is then you're going to compare the color of the strips to the colors on the pH paper here, or like on the key. And for example, with 0 drops, to me, that looks like it corresponds to pH 7. So then what I would put for the actual pH value is I would put 7. So I'll take a picture of this as well, or you could just push pause on the video here and you could do it that way. But then you're going to go through and record all the different pH values and then enter that into your data table. And then basically the procedure was the same for the water, the liver, the potato, and then this other buffer solution. So you'll compare how did the rates of change of pH in those solutions compared to this one. So there's your basic procedure of the acid-base buffer lab. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, thank you.